Welcome students, myself Professor Vikrant Palatsha. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Professor Vikrant Palatsha's Education Hub. In this video, we are going to learn the multiple choice questions of FYBCom subject Financial Accounting second on the unit number 3 Valuation of Intangible. So let's begin. Question number 1. Dash dash refers to the value of reputation or name and fame of a business. Option A goodwill, option B capital, option C reserves and option D surplus. And the correct option it is option A goodwill. Next question number 2. Which is not the element of goodwill? Option A customers list, option B organization's costs, option C development cost and option D capital. And the correct option it is option D capital. Next question number 3. From the following which are the types of goodwill? Option A purchase goodwill, option B non-purchase goodwill, option C inherent goodwill and option D all of the above. And correct option it is option number D all of the above. Purchase goodwill, non-purchase goodwill and inherent goodwill, these all are the three types of goodwill. Next question 4. Internally generated goodwill is called as option A purchase goodwill, option B non-purchase goodwill, option C inherent goodwill and option D both B and C. And correct option it is option D both B and C. Internally generated goodwill is called as non-purchase goodwill as well as inherent goodwill. Next, question number 5. When business buys another business, dash dash arises. Option A purchase goodwill, option B non-purchase goodwill, option C inherent goodwill and option D none of the above. And correct option it is option A purchase goodwill. Whenever one business buys the another, at that time purchase goodwill arises. Next, question 6. From the following which is not the internal factor affecting on goodwill? Option A quality of goods, option B profits, option C expenses and option D popularity of products. And correct option it is option D popularity of product is the factor which is not affecting on the goodwill. Next, question number 7. Dash dash method takes into account the average profits while calculating goodwill. Option A average profit method, option B super profit method, option C general profit method and option D capital profit method. And correct option it is option A average profit method considers the average profit during the calculation of goodwill. Next, question number 8. Calculation of average profit is done according to option A total profit minus total loss, option B total profit minus total loss divided by number of years, option C total profit plus total loss and option D total profit multiplied by total loss. And the correct option it is option number B total profit minus total loss divided by number of years. This is the formula of the average profit. Next, question number 9. Goodwill is calculated as per the average profit method according to option A average profit minus number of years of purchase, option B average profit plus numbers of years of purchase, option C average profit divided by number of years of purchase and option D average profit multiplied by number of years of purchase. And the correct option it is option number D average profit multiplied by number of years of purchase. According to this formula the goodwill is determined according to average profit method. Next, question number 10. If average profit is rupees 10,000 and number of years of purchase is 4, then goodwill is equal to option A rupees 20,000, option B rupees 30,000, option C rupees 40,000 and option D rupees 50,000. And the correct option it is option C rupees 40,000. How it comes? The solution is goodwill is equal to average profit multiplied by number of years of purchase. So average profit is 10 and numbers of years of purchase is 4. Therefore it is rupees 40,000. Next, question number 11. Super profit is equal to what? Option A capital employed into normal profit. Option B average profit minus normal profit. option C average profit plus normal profit, and option D average profit multiplied by normal profit. And the correct option it is option number B, average profit minus normal profit. This is the formula of super profit. Next, question number 12. Capital employed into normal rate of return is equal to what? Option A total profit, option B average profit, option C normal profit, and option D revenue profit. And the correct option it is option C normal profit. Capital employed into normal rate of return is equal to normal profit. Next, question 13. If average profit is rupees 50,000 and normal profit is rupees 30,000, then super profit is equal to how much? Option A rupees 80,000, option B rupees 20,000, option C rupees 1,50,000, and option D rupees 50,000. And the correct option it is option B rupees 20,000. The formula for super profit is average profit minus normal profit. The average profit is 50,000, normal profit 30,000. Therefore, super profit is rupees 20,000. Next, number 14. Under dash dash, the value of goodwill is found out by capitalizing the expected average profit on the basis of normal rate of return. Option A average profit method, option B super profit method, option C capitalization of profit method, and option D revenue profit method. And the correct option it is option C capitalization of profit method. Next, question number 15. Capitalized value of profit is equal to what? Option A adjusted profit minus normal rate of return, option B adjusted profit plus normal rate of return, option C adjusted profit multiplied by normal rate of return, and option D adjusted profit divided by normal rate of return into 100. And the correct option it is option number D, that is adjusted profit divided by normal rate of return into 100. This is the capitalized value of profit. Next, question number 16. According to annuity method of super profit, goodwill is calculated as per option A super profit into annuity value, option B super profit plus annuity value, option C super profit minus annuity value, and option D super profit divided by annuity value. And the correct option it is option A super profit into annuity value. Next, question number 17. Dash dash is a name, a sign, or a symbol that denotes identification of goods or services. Option A brand, option C patents, option B patents, option C copyrights, and option D trademarks. The correct option it is option A brand. Next, question number 18. Dash dash relates to an invention which is registered with an authority. Option A brand, option B patents, option C copyrights, and option D trademarks. And the correct option it is option B patents. Next, question number 19. Dash dash legally protects the original expression of ideas. Option A brand, option B patents, option C copyrights, and option D trademarks. And the correct option it is option C copyrights. And now the last question number 20. Dash dash is required to be distinctive for the goods and services provided. Option A brand, option B patents, option C copyrights, and option D trademarks. And the correct option it is option D trademarks. So in this way, in this video, dear students, we have studied the multiple choice question of unit number 3 financial accounting second. For such more videos, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Professor Vikrant Balarcha's Education Hub, as well as press on the notification icon. Thank you all of you.